G'day everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be making the legs of the rocket. These will hold the rocket up when it's on the ground, and also provide some shock absorbance when it's landing. I start off by printing out all of the parts. These include the main foot of the leg, and also all of the joints that allow it to move. The reason that I'm making the legs first is because they're the cheapest and easiest to make components of the rocket. I am however currently making the engine, so you'll get a video on that early next year. These two poles will be the main body of the leg, as you can see here. Before I put it together, I need to cut 80mm of each one to serve as a pivot point for the leg, and also to mount it to the rest of the rocket. They will slide into the top of the leg like this. So now I'm just going to measure out the 80mm and cut the poles. Now it's time to put it all together. I start by getting a third, shorter tube and press fitting it into its mount. There are holes for bolts in this part because there will be a pull force exerted on it. I now press fit the two poles that I cut before into the foot of the leg. I also press fit them into the mount at the other end. Now to finish it off, I simply attach the two remaining pieces together with a single nut and bolt. As you can see, the small piece can now pivot freely in the foot. And with that, the leg's done. This is how it will be mounted in the rocket.